What is going on? I'm heading out to yet another cruise night. This time we're going back to Union, Illinois, Iron and Oak Cruise Night, as they do on every Monday, I believe, in the downtown area there. And we're going to go check out some cars, as usual. So here it is. Well, a little unfortunate incident, rain. So on the way here, it started drizzling a little bit. I was hoping the cars would stick around, see whatever's left, but it looks like most of them peeled out. So there's a little bit left here, so I'm going to do a little walkthrough and show you what's got, what's stuck around. But kind of a bummer. We'll head back out if we can and see if we can get some better video now. Well, there's the rain, so we're gonna get on out of here. It's starting to come down. Everyone's definitely heading out of here now. But oh well, maybe next time we can catch a break and see a better show. See you guys later. Peace.